What's up, everybody? We're about to drop the ultimate Thailand travel guide. We're talking top 20 things you absolutely have to do in the land of smiles. From crazy beautiful temples to some of the best beaches in the world. Get ready to explore Thailand with me. I'm talking about adventures, I'm talking about food, I'm talking about experiences you'll never forget. Let's go! First up, we're hitting up the Grand Palace in Bangkok. This place is straight out of a fairy tale. Next, we're off to Ayutthaya, an ancient city with temples that'll blow your mind. Get ready for some history. Phuket time. We're talking white sand beaches, turquoise water. It's basically paradise. Similan Islands? Dive into another world, hold your breath. We're diving into the Similan Islands. The coral reefs here? Out of control, amazing. Bangkok night. Let's get wild. Bangkok after dark, it's a whole different world. Rooftop bars, night markets, street food, and it's going to be epic. Chiang Mai cooking class. I'm basically a chef now. Time to learn how to cook some real deal Thai food in Chiang Mai. Pad Thai, anyone? Floating markets. This is not a drill. You haven't lived until you've been to a floating market in Thailand. It's pure chaos in the best way possible. Khao Sok National Park, jungle vibes. We're going deep into the jungle at Khao Sok National Park. Keep an eye out for monkeys. Thai massage. My body is so ready. Time to treat ourselves to a traditional Thai massage. They're gonna work out all the knots. Elephant Nature Park. These animals are everything. We're visiting the Elephant Nature Park, a sanctuary where rescued elephants can just be elephants. Sukhothai history time. Back in time, we go to the ruins of Sukhothai, an ancient city that's seriously impressive. Phang Nga Bay, unreal views. Phang Nga Bay is famous for its crazy beautiful limestone cliffs. Prepare to be amazed. The White Temple in Chiang Rai is like nothing you've ever seen before. It's a modern masterpiece. Get your wallets ready. Chatuchak Weekend Market is a shopping paradise. You can find literally anything here. The full moon party on Koh Phangan is legendary. Think dancing on the beach all night long. We're hiking to the Erawan waterfalls, and let me tell you, these waterfalls are next level. Get ready to explore the Phong Nha Ke Bang National Park, home to some of the most impressive caves in the world. The Death Railway is a sobering reminder of the past, but the scenery is actually really beautiful. The Sanctuary of Truth is made entirely of wood and covered in intricate carvings. It's truly a sight to behold. Last but not least, we're indulging in some Bangkok street food. It's cheap, it's delicious. It's the best way to end this trip. And that's a wrap on our epic Thailand adventure. We hit up all the best spots from the Grand Palace to the full moon party. Thailand, you were amazing! Make sure you smash that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, peace out!